Honey, what's up? I can feel you moving. What are you doing? Yeah, I know it's raining outside. I can hear. I know it's raining. Are you scared of the rain or something? I mean, yeah, I hear the thunder. You never told me you're scared of thunder. You learn something new every day. Is that why you're so tense? How would I know? I'm literally holding you. How could I not know? And plus, there's no need to be tense. I'm right here. Yeah. No. Well, yeah, you did wake me up, but no, it's not a problem. You don't have to say sorry. You don't have to say sorry, honey. It's fine. Well, I'm not all mean, as you say I am, when I'm tired. 'Cause it's about you. I'm not mad when you ask me or wake me up. It's fine. If anyone else woke me up, it wouldn't be fine. But you, I don't care. If you need me, I'm here. Always. Now, that's enough sappy shit. One man can only take so much sappy shit in one day. So, how can I help? You're still tense? Well, yeah, I'm gonna keep bringing it up. I'm trying to help you. Help you fall back to sleep. Oh wow, you can hear me breathing. You're right next to my face. Do you not expect to hear it? What, you just like don't want me to breathe? Kinda mean. Yeah, that's kinda mean. I mean, I can just stop holding you and turn over and go back to sleep and let you lay here. I could. That's what I thought. Plus, why would I want to move? I'm comfortable. One, I like having my head on your chest. What, you won't like it? I'd say it's very comfortable. So, what were you dreaming about? What? It got awkward. I mean, not really. Well, you woke me up, so you have to deal with me. I love you too, dumbass. What? You don't... Just because I'm tired doesn't mean I'm gonna be sappy. I'm still the same person. What? Yeah, sometimes you can't be an annoying little shit. But you're my annoying little shit, so I guess I have to deal with that. Is there anything else I can do? Well, if I hold you any tighter, I'll probably crack your ribs, and I don't want to do that. So, is there any alternative route? Talk. What have I been doing this whole time? No, I'm joking. I'm joking. What do you want me to talk about? My day? Why would you want to hear about my day? I didn't do shit. We had volleyball practice. We had it from 7 to 8. 3. Yeah, we trained all day. Which, honestly, I would have rather stay home with you, but yeah, I know you were home all day, alone, with no one to cuddle with when you take your naps. Well, we both take naps, but we take naps together. If you nap, I nap. Unless I'm doing something or you're doing something and we possibly can't cuddle. I know that you know. We all know you like my cuddles. Don't try to deny it. Oh, really? You'd rather nap by yourself? Mm-hmm. Then why is it every time we nap together, when I'm wearing a shirt, which is most of the time because it's cold as fuck, yeah, you keep the air conditioner turned up because you're like, I don't want to get hot and sweaty and shit. I get hot and sweaty every day, and you don't seem to mind. Yeah. I bet you like that, don't you? Mm-hmm. Fucking perv. Yeah. So what? I'm nuzzling my face in your chest. It's fine. You're not gonna stop me, are you? That's what I thought. See, the rain's lightening up a bit. So, that means you can get to sleep. Because I don't want you texting me all day when you go to work that you're tired. And I don't really want to deal with that. Because because every text I get from you is gonna be like, I'm so tired. Or like, you'll say some stupid shit like, ugh, I wish I could sleep, but there's people watching me. Yeah, I mean, you work in front of a computer all day. Yeah, your FBI agent's watching you. He's judging you. Yeah, he's judging all your Google searches. Oh, I'm supposed to be comforting. I'd say I'm doing a great job. I mean, you're not tense anymore. And your breathing is better. And your heartbeat's normal, so I'd say I'm doing a great job. Don't forget, I'm holding you. I can feel things. Now, hush. I'm going to stay here, and me and you both are going to fall asleep. Because I know you're tired. You sound tired. And I'm obviously tired. I didn't get my 2 daily naps that I need. So, shh. I'm here, okay? You don't need to worry about anything. I'm always here.